I recently moved and got a new room. Let's take a look at what the room looks like. Since it's not very convenient to take a selfie, let's switch the camera view. Alright, this one is mine. And this is the luggage I just moved in recently. Let's switch the camera. Here's my computer. The newly installed network cable and broadband. Here is my lovely kitchen along with my trusty camera, ready to capture everything. As for the kitchen, I'm using my old appliances. There's natural gas here, but I can only use an induction cooker. I bought some eggs and over here is the bathroom. Regarding the bathroom, the water heater is newly installed, but its cable can't reach this outlet, so I still need to use an extension cord and add a waterproof cover. Okay, coming out of the bathroom. This is his. Is the living room really this big? Let's go into our bedroom. The window over there is someone else's yard. This is my bed. Since I haven't bought a table and chairs yet, I can only use my rather old and somewhat portable table to work on things temporarily for the time being, and I sit on this bed. Next, let's go from the door here. It might be someone else's yard. It's raining outside. And after you come in the door, this is basically what it looks like. The bedroom is on the right. The kitchen is on the left. If you keep going this way, you'll find the bathroom and toilet. That's basically how it is. In the future, I might add some desks for work. Then I'll clean the floor, buy some storage shelves, and get some tables and chairs, and so on.